Hi everybody, it's Jodi. I decided to come on live and face-to-face interact with you. Usually I'm showing you my hands and what I'm creating, but today I wanted to show you my new card kit for June, and I wanted to show you the cards and show you where it is in the catalog. So this suite is on pages 108 and 109. It's called Hues of Happiness, and it is happy. So the stamp set here, I actually have shown you a little bit already. It's called Happiness Abounds, and it's just got some great floral images, some greetings. I love not only what the greetings say, but also the font is really, really pretty. And then the other thing in here, the hues, what is it called? Is it Hues of Happiness? I think it's Hues of Happiness. The name of the designer paper that coordinates is absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to show you the cards that are included in my card kit this month, and there's a little bit of a difference. Usually you get 4 cards. This applies to make 4 cards for free with your minimum order and using the host code. This month it's 6 cards, but there's also a little bit of a difference. So watch the whole thing so that you get all of the details. So this is the first card. Notice on all of them, not only the gorgeous stamped images, but that designer paper. It is so, so pretty. This one I really like because not only does it have the stamped images, this designer paper, but then there's this right here, that die is part of the die set that comes in this bundle. It is really unique. So I love just showing you how to use it on that one. This, it might be my favorite. This one is so, so pretty. All of these flowers and the stems and the leaves are cut out of the designer paper. So they're all die cut with the dies that coordinate not only with the stamped images, but then also with these pieces from the designer paper. This one is fun, just taking the designer paper. This is all from one sheet. It's like a progression of color, which is gorgeous. And so I just cut strips there and then did a little focal point here with a little sparkly gem. I think you can see it sparkle a little bit. This one, and notice the colors. There's such a wide range of colors. It'll tell you in the catalog. It coordinates with Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Pool Party, Night of Navy, and Fresh Freesia. Lots of gorgeous, fun colors. And then this last one here is some navy with daffodil. You'll notice that layer of vellum on there too. So there are 6 cards, which, like I said, is a little more than usual. The difference with this particular card kit is that you need to order the designer paper yourself to complete the cards as shown. Usually I say, here's the bundle that's like stamps and die or stamps and punch, and you order this, and then these are the ink pads you need to complete it as shown. However, for this kit, to complete these cards, I don't know if I can hold all 6, to complete these cards as shown, you need to also get the designer paper. So, and the reason for that is kind of obvious, I think. I use a lot of designer paper, and like these that take up a lot of the background, and especially this one, I couldn't possibly order enough designer paper for everyone to have all of these images to die cut. And so that's why you need to have your own designer paper. I guarantee you will love purchasing and using all of the pieces in this package of designer paper. So I will create an event right here in the group and list everything that you need to complete the cards as shown, the colors. You will need the Happiness Abounds bundle, which is the stamps and the dies, and then that Hues of Happiness designer paper. So in addition to this card kit that you can get this month for free with your order, there's a couple other things going on that you want to pay attention to. One is our last chance list from our outgoing mini catalog. So our January to June mini catalog ends at the end of this month, and some items in there are discounted up to 50%. There's some really some of my favorite things that are discounted. So I stocked up on some of those with my order this morning. So you've got last chance list with some items up to 50% off. And then you've also got a BOGO sale with kits. So I'll put some links here to take you right to my online store so you can see the products I'm talking about. But there is a section on my website called Kits Collection. and you can get any of those buy one, get one half off. So it's a great time to get a kit right now, or two actually. So you can do all this on one order. So you can do your Happiness Abounds, your last chance items, and some kits all on one order. If your order is 150 or more, do not use my host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards and you'll get to choose some free products with your order too. So take a look at that. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Look in the comments for some links, and I hope to stamp with you soon. Have a great day.